Well, welcome back to the chaos. Scott Neverlander here. Today we're going to go into Living with the Land to ride the new Soarin change, layover if you will. We're going to be celebrating America, 250 years of awesome. I think is that a good opening? That works for you? Yeah, that works for me. All right, so if you haven't seen the new change, we've had a moment. We have our opinion, so today I'm going to show you guys it. Let me know your thoughts. Comment down below. Let's go inside and check it out.
Welcome to Soarin across America. My name is Patrick, Captain Patrick. I'd like to welcome you to this special semi-quincentennial flight. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first, there's a handsome young devil who'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. Nice work, pal. Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Ready, Corbin?
Oh my god.
What is that, Corbin?
Blow up the other day?
It's a rocket ship!
right, it's over. We experienced it. What are your thoughts?
Again, for the second time, and I still think it's great. The rocket takeoff is the coolest thing, and like I think it's so cool. Corbin loved it. What was your favorite part of the ride?
The rocket ship.
The rocket ship.
The rocket ship. But I think they did a really good job. Our country is huge. There's so many different climates, so many different states, so many things that are beautiful, but I think they did a really good job showcasing a little bit here and there. There was somebody behind me complaining that it didn't make sense and I left good parts out, and I was
It's
just
like when somebody goes on Star Tours and they're like, "Oh, you can't be over here. How do you go from Kashyyyk to..."
Yeah, different franchises. But I think they did a good job, and
Yeah.
I think it's really great that for our 250th anniversary, Disney decided to get patriotic and do this. I think
That's
I
pretty
like
cool.
it. It makes my heart feel happy, and I think it's a great new layover for the ride. And I hope they keep it for a while.
I concur. All right, so what are your thoughts? What was your favorite part? Have you been on this? Have you rode it? Did you think it was extravagant? No, that's not the word. Did you enjoy it or did you not enjoy it? It's pretty hard not to enjoy it. Anyways, thanks for hanging with us. We're going to go get our Disney on. Until tomorrow.